Guys, so today I wanted to show you how living in Nairobi is kind of hard for someone who came from the village. That's me. I know it's different for everyone, especially in Nairobi. People live in different places and different locations. So basically where I am is close, I would say almost closer to town. So the houses there are just like normal or different in a way, and landlords of Nairobi can make you pay more for small, and that's how the house that I'm currently staying in is like. So I wanted to basically show you how it is, comparing it to me coming from where space is free, countryside like. So me here right now, I'm a squatter in this house. It's not mine, it's not my rental place, but I just wanted to show you because we are sharing it right now with my sister. So it's kind of like my place. So this house or room is really small that it's so hard, almost so hard to put it together. So I'm going to show you how it's looking like right now. From, you can see from even cleaning, so hard to clean, so hard to find a place you position for everything in the house. So I'm going to show you basically from the door and give you maybe a little pan of the house so you can see how it's looking like. So from the door is this, and it's steel, so that's well secured. And then from my left side, you can see there is first of all the mirror on the wall, and then down here we have a cupboard, and we made it a TV stand. You can see the TV, and then adjacent to it, right on this side, is the table. And then we have a chair. So we do not have space for extra chairs, so we have only this plastic chair along with the table where you can place your stuff, write, read. That's where my niece usually do her homework. And then next to it is a bed. And I think if I'm complaining too much, I'm assuming the bed takes more space than everything in the house. It's big and it's enough for us, everyone who's living in this house. So that's the bed. So next at the foot of the bed, right here we have a store where we have everything, including this, what you can see. Down here we have the laundry basket, and then also we have this TV disc, but it's not in use right now. And then right here we have another cupboard because we do not have better storage for the clothes, so we have stacks of clothes. And then on top of it we have our and right at the top we have our toiletries, oils, and everything that you can see right there. Again, it's a classroom for our needs. So above we have it's supposed to be a closet, but we do not have hangers, so it's blank. But we have some nails behind, and we decided to place our bags. Right above, it's also supposed to be above the closet, and you can see what's up there. And then on this other side, we have a water backup container. Obviously we have running water in this house, but this is just like for emergency stuff. And then beside we have a bicycle for the child that lives with us. Right next is another door, and it's the entry to the bathroom. You enter bathroom. There's the toilet bowl. Behind is the toilet flush tank, and then above you can see whatever it is. And then the shower head is actually for cold water. We do not have the electric one. We didn't set it up because for one reason or another. So we do normally have a bath, not a shower. Finally, we have the kitchen table. On it we have an auto ignition gas table, and then we have this one as a backup, which is this auto you can just, and then it lights. But we have the manual one, which is a backup for this. Whenever this one is over, you can use this. And then on the side we have a the sink area. There we have a legless dish rack holder, and then we have some storage parts, and then we have also this stand. And then on the wall we have extra hanged dishes, and above we have the cabinets for the kitchen. Beside the side is the window. There's tas kanya ngoro ga bwang ngalwe.